believe it's almost summer? How did that even happen? Hi everyone, I'm Miss Bekah from Hartland's Cromaine Library, and I'm excited to tell you all about this year's Summer Reading Challenge. So, Summer Reading Challenge works like this. First, you create an account, and to do that, you visit us at www.cromaine.org, and then in the middle of the page, there will be a banner that says Summer Reading Challenge, and this year's theme is Tales and Tales. So what you do, you create an account and you log the number of minutes that you read starting June 1st and going all the way to August 5th. Your name will be entered for a chance to win a grand prize for every 100 minutes logged and every challenge completed. The more you read, the better your chances. If you log 1,600 minutes or more, you will earn a medal. Read books, magazines, audiobooks, whatever you like. Reading aloud to friends and family counts too. Be sure all your minutes are logged and all your challenges are completed by 5 p.m. on August 5th. So let me tell you how to sign up. So like I said, you visit us at www.cromaine.org beginning June 1st. Click on the Summer Reading Club banner and click Join Here. Select the grade that you will be in the fall, and then you will enter your information and make up a username and password. You will also choose the top 3 prizes you are interested in winning. So let's talk prizes. This year's grand prizes include $15 gift cards to the following places: Amazon, Big B, Dairy Queen, Detroit Zoo, Meijer, and Target. And we also have prize packs that you could win. We have Arts and Crafts pack, a Harry Potter pack, and a Unicorn pack. There are also challenges you can complete to earn more entries into the grand prize raffle. You will find those when you are logged into your summer reading account. And each month, June, July, and August, you can stop by the youth department on the 2nd floor of the library to pick up a free prize book just for participating. We also have a lot of awesome programs in the works, like the ever so popular Harry Potter camp, a visit from the Howell Nature Center, Sharpie tie-dye, gardening, a virtual visit from the University of Michigan's Natural History Museum, family concerts on the lawn, drive-in movie, take-home boredom buster kits, and more. And if you are going into 5th grade next year, we have a bunch of incredible tween programs like Writers Group, Solar Oven S'mores, tie-dye, slime, and more. It's truly going to be an epic summer, and I hope you all join in the fun. If you have any questions, stop by and visit us, or you can email us at youthandteen@cromaine.org. We also have programs for preschoolers, middle schoolers, high schoolers, and adults, and they can all participate and join in the fun. So make sure you tell your family and tell your friends. Thank you so much for letting me share all about our Summer Reading Challenge. I hope you come to the library soon, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye!